Russian prices for flagship smartphones. Samsung Galaxy S24 have been revealed. Official prices of Samsung Galaxy S24 in Russia amounted to 190,000 rubles. Pre-orders for the new flagship Samsung smartphones from the Galaxy S24 series have already opened in Russia. Gazeta Ru was informed about this by the press service of MTS. Collection of pre-orders at MTS will last until February 13, 2024. All colors presented at Samsung's global presentation at Galaxy Unpacked 2024 are available to choose from. Each buyer of new products pre-ordered in Russia will receive Samsung Buds 2 Pro wireless headphones as a gift. The basic version of the Galaxy S24 at MTS is sold at prices ranging from 90,000 rubles to 98,000 rubles. Depending on the amount of internal memory, the Galaxy S24 Plus model will cost 112,000 rubles, or 125,000 rubles. In turn, for the top-end Galaxy S24 Ultra, the retailer asks from 147,000 to 190,000 rubles. For the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus models, the smartphone is available in black, gray, yellow, and purple. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will be available in titanium black, titanium gray, titanium purple, and titanium yellow. The S24 and S24 Plus use a reinforced aluminum frame, while the S24 Ultra uses a titanium alloy frame. All versions of the Galaxy S24 are protected from dust and water according to the IP68 standard. Earlier, it became known that from 2026, HMD Global will stop using the Nokia brand.